Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and select photos at the bottom left corner. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Finally, click on Select All. Now, to exclude photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, select the same three dots and then tap on Move to Bin. Lastly, hit Allow in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also click on Folders at the bottom right corner, sorry misclick, and click on Bin. Then hold one of your pictures and tap on three dots at the top right corner to tap on Select All option. Now, to delete them completely, click on the same three dots and pick Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!